Do you want to know if your iPhone has been repaired? There are a few ways to check if your iPhone has been to a repair shop before. By following some simple steps, you can find out. Let's get started. Method 1. Check True Tone and Face ID. Open Control Center. Tap and hold brightness slider. Check True Tone. If this option is missing, that means this device is 100% repaired. When someone opens an iPhone, True Tone is the first thing that goes away from iPhone. Method 2. Check Face ID. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. If you see this feature is not working or gives you a different error, that could mean that this device has gone to repair store. Method 3. Check whether it's refurbished or not. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, tap About. Look at the model number. Here, take a close look at the first letter of the model. Look for the model number. It should start with MF. Try understanding the model prefix. If this starts with M, this indicates a new factory sealed iPhone. If it starts with F, this indicates a refurbished iPhone. If your model number starts with F, it means your iPhone is a certified refurbished device. That means this device has gone to the Apple repair store. By following these steps, you can find out if your iPhone has been repaired or replaced. If this guide helped you, or if you have any questions, let me know.